everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. So today's video is going to be dedicated to people that are suffering from acne, scars, and dark spots on their face or their neck or any part of their body. So I'll be getting so many questions and emails concerning people complaining about their acne, scars, or dark spots on their face that refuse to clear off. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple natural remedy you're going to use, like I promised. I promise that I'm going to make a video concerning that, a treatment that you can use patiently for just 2 weeks and you will see it disappear. This treatment is very, very good, you know, and it's very, very effective. So what I'm trying to say here is you have to be patient and consistent. Use this treatment every night before you go to bed for complete 2 weeks. That's 14 days, and you will see your acne scars disappear. Okay, so I know that all skins are not the same, but I believe that when you use something that suits your skin, you will know. If it doesn't suit your skin, then let me know. Then I will know your skin type and know what what remedy that will be good for you. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So to make this treatment, we're going to be using just 3 simple ingredients. Okay, the number 1 ingredient we're going to be using is papaya puree. Did you see how the color is? Look at it. This is papaya puree. It's like this because I blended it with the seeds, the puree, and the skin. So the papaya peel is here, the papaya seed here, and the puree itself. So a whole papaya, get a whole papaya, cut it and blend it. Don't remove the seed, don't remove the skin, okay? Because the seed is very, very good. The enzyme that papaya have is very, very good. It does wonders to the skin. I don't know if you guys know about it, but you can Google about papaya and its enzyme, the benefit to the skin, and find out what I'm saying. It lightens the skin, it takes care of any scar or any age spots or whatever that is on your skin. This alone can do the work, but we are going to be adding other powerful lighteners that will help do the magic. So you need just a teaspoon of papaya puree. Then next is going to be my herbal magic powder. So in this look at it, the herbal powders. Here I have different types of powders combined. I have my organic brown rice powder here. I have my organic ground flour here, also called chickpea flour or besan flour. And I have my licorice powder in here. I have turmeric powder, organic turmeric powder, organic licorice powder, organic sandalwood powder, organic cinnamon powder, and organic orange peel powder. All those powders are all these powders are measured are what I combined here. Okay, this is a very, very powerful lightening powder, herbal, naturally. You know, one thing with people is that they don't have patience when using treatments, but all this natural stuff you see are very, very wonderful. Like all this I mentioned, you can Google about it or make your own research and see what I'm talking about. Anytime you're making research, just Google the name of the product and ask for the benefits to your skin, and then you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you need this powder. I have a video on how you can mix this powder on my channel. There you can search for it and wash and make yours. Then next thing is going to be my goat milk powder. So just these 3 ingredients are what we need to make this magic miracle scar remover. Okay, so to mix, you need a bowl. So we start by adding the papaya puree to the bowl. Then add my mixed herbal powder. I have about a tablespoon of the powder here. Then next I'm going to add a teaspoon of my goat milk powder. So mix it together, just mix it properly to get a paste. So after mixing it, this is how it's going to be, look like, as you can see. So to apply it as usual, open your pores. So guys, so apply it all over your face or your neck or any place you have the acne scars. Apply it on it and leave it for 30 minutes. Please leave it for good 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes you scrub it away. Just don't be too harsh on your face or the affected area when scrubbing it. Gently, because this itself is an exfoliator. If you steam your face properly with warm water before applying it, your pores will be open to receive it. Then apply it and leave it for 30 minutes so that it can sink in and do its work. And after that 30 minutes, just gently rub it in a circular motion and then wash it. So you wash it with a good and a gentle facial wash. So this is what I'm going to use to wash my face afterward. So I'm going to use Thai Secret Gentle Facial Wash to wash it. And all the goodness there also will penetrate and do its work on my skin. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. All right, then after that, don't forget to apply your hyaluronic acid serum. That's HA. So after that, apply your hyaluronic acid serum and then moisturize your face. So me, I'm going to apply my HA and then I'm going to moisturize my face with my Thai Secret Beauty Oil, because it's very, very good. It glows my skin and brightens my skin. So I'm going to use my Thai Secret and then moisturize my face and then go to sleep. If you don't have the oil, you can use any of your any skin brightening moisturizer that you have, or better still, apply like almond oil or rosehip oil if you have it. Then you go to bed. Okay, so every night make sure you do this for 2 weeks and then get back to me and let's see how the results goes on you. But this papaya is very, very good. Okay, make sure you blend it. Don't take away the seed, don't take away the skin. Blend everything so that you can get the benefit of that enzyme, because the enzyme combined with all these herbal whitening powders and milk, which contains lactic acid. So the exfoliation, it will exfoliate and then brightens the scars. Okay, all right guys, so that will be it. It's late night. I just want to do this video as I've promised you guys. So stay organically beautiful. If you are new or passing by, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button that will pop up, and then so that you can get notification anytime I upload a new video. And of course, if you like my video, please give me a thumb up, thumb up. Feeling sleepy already. Then stay organically beautiful. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you all.